Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Irene if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my favorite shampoos and deep conditioners for 2021. So to narrow things down and keep it really simple, I picked a shampoo that's moisturizing, one that's clarifying, and one that I can use when I'm in a protective style. So the first one that is my favorite moisturizing shampoo, hands down, is the Moisture Galore shampoo Cleanse and Hydrate from Khalida Naturals. This shampoo is so hydrating, but it cleanses my hair really well. It removes the buildup from my scalp. It removes buildup from my hair shaft. I'm able to do some light finger detangling while this shampoo is in my hair. Once I rinse out the shampoo, it doesn't make my hair feel stripped at all. It has no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oil, and no petroleum. This line literally does me no wrong. I recommend it to anyone who has dry hair and just wants to replenish moisture back into their hair. It's really good. Everybody needs a moisturizing shampoo, and this is my favorite. The next shampoo that I'm going to talk about today is a clarifying shampoo that I was so excited to try. Adwoa's products are just... they are good. I know the quality is going to be there. Anyway, let me just get into this shampoo. I did a whole review on this entire blue Tansy line, so I will leave that up above and down below if you haven't seen that yet. In depth, I tell you about every single product, but this is their clarifying shampoo. I never had a clarifying shampoo that felt like a moisturizing shampoo. Like, I was able to manipulate and detangle with this with my fingers, not with a comb. I was able to finger detangle with the shampoo still in my hair. Adwoa's products are very concentrated, so a little bit goes a long way. Like, this shampoo is going to last me so long because I don't have to use that much. It smells so nice. It didn't leave my hair stripped. Like, I was just so surprised when I used this, and honestly, it was one of those products where, like, I can't wait till the next wash day because I want to use it. It's that good. It's also very strengthening as well. It has hydrolyzed quinoa, just a whole bunch of good ingredients: sea kelp, vitamin E, spirulina, jojoba oil, horsetail extract. I would recommend this line for sure if you have high porosity hair. Honestly, it's great for any hair type, any hair texture, but it's great for strengthening if your hair is damaged or color treated. It's bomb, y'all. Like, y'all need to go to Sephora on Adwoa's website and try this, because honestly, you might not want to use anything else. So that's my favorite clarifying shampoo. And the next one, I'm not sure if I've talked about this before on my channel or not, but I definitely have spoken about it on Instagram. This is the Girl in Hair Under Hair Care Moisturizing Water to Foam Shampoo. If you know me, you know I love a shampoo that is invigorating. This has tea tree oil in it, so it has that menthol cooling sensation that I really like. It just, especially when you're in a protective style, like, and your scalp is itchy, if you have a lot of flakes or anything and you just want something that'll get directly to your scalp, this is it. It's easy to rinse out. It feels really good. Like, it's just very soothing to your scalp, and I loved it. The CEO of this hair brand, Girl in Hair, is actually a dermatologist, so she knows about skin. And scalp care is really important. Like, you can't expect your hair to grow if you're not taking care of your scalp. So they have other products, but this is the only one that I tried, and I recommend this to anyone who, especially now that we're going into the colder months, but you want to keep, you want to keep things fresh. Your scalp is important. You want to keep that cleansed and hydrated regardless of whether you're in a protective style or not. But if you're somebody that is going to rock a protective style, often, and you like to keep your scalp clean while it's in a protective style, you need this. It's really good. It feels amazing. Loved it. I felt like this is an honorable mention. Like, I have my shampoos, but I have, like, my cleansers and what are they called? Co-washes as well. And this one is by Uncle Funky's Daughter. It's one of my favorite products from them. It's their Bye Bye Build Up Cleansing Conditioner. It's very moisturizing and cleansing at the same time. I don't use it if my hair is extremely dirty. I pretty much use it after I shampoo my hair, like if I don't need to go in a second time to wash my hair, but I want that like conditioning but cleansing effects. Just, you know, just a little something extra. Or like if I want a quick wash day and my hair is not really that dirty, then I will reach for this because it cleanses my hair. It makes my hair feel soft and hydrated, and I really like it. Another shampoo slash cleanser that I like to use for that same reason, either when my hair is not that dirty or as like a second round of cleansing, is this Soultanical Sheayuvedic Butta shampoo. I spoke about this so many times this year. I really like it. It has a lot of Ayurvedic ingredients that are great for stimulating hair growth and just amazing for your scalp. It has amazing slip. It makes my hair so much softer. Like as soon as I apply it to my hair, it just like melts into my hair. It feels so good. And you can use this product so many ways. You can use it as a deep conditioner. You can use it as a co-wash. What else can you use it for? Yeah, a shampoo, a co-wash, or a deep conditioner. And you get your money's worth out of this product, like, because you can use it so many ways. I don't recommend co-washing your hair all the time because that can lead to dryness if you're not clarifying your hair properly. But you know, I think it's good to have at least one in your collection, and I definitely recommend those two. Now on to deep conditioners. If you guys have been on my channel for any amount of time, you know that deep conditioners are my favorite product, and it was really hard to pick just two. I'm not gonna lie, but you guys already know my favorite deep conditioner that is moisturizing, but it also repairs your hair at the same time. Like, it's so hydrating. When I used this for the first time, I was shook. Like, literally shook. It is the Khalida Naturals Moisture Galore from that same line from the shampoo that I mentioned earlier. But this is the deep conditioner. It is bomb. Khalida put her foot in this. Like, the ingredients from top to bottom are so moisturizing but repairing at the same time. This has hydrolyzed protein in it, hydrolyzed vegetable protein, hydrolyzed keratin. Just goodness is in this jar right here. It's 16 ounces. It's gonna last you a long time. If your hair is dry, if you struggle with dryness, especially now that we're going into the winter months, and you know the cold likes to suck the moisture right out of our hair, so you need this. It makes my hair more manageable. It makes it shiny. Honestly, everything that I look for in a deep conditioner, this has. It has slip, so if you detangle your hair in the deep conditioning step, this is perfect for that. It's just bomb. Y'all have to try this. And that was my moisturizing deep conditioner, but I also picked another deep conditioner that I really like this year that is repairing. And like I said, this is my favorites. I'm picking only my favorites. There's a lot of deep conditioners that I could have chosen that are really great as well, but this one was so good. I noticed the difference as soon as I rinsed this reparative mask out of my hair. My curls had a lot more elasticity. They were like more springy. Like, it just brought life back to my hair. You know that super defined look that you get from when you do like a clay wash? That you get like this similar effect with this. But this will strengthen and repair your hair. I recommend it, especially for high porosity people. We need something that will help keep our hair strong but moisturized at the same time. You know that balance is really important when it comes to natural hair in general. This is going to last me a really long time. Like, I only used it once. I'm going to use it this wash day. It smells really nice. It's just so good. The product is super concentrated. Like, you don't need a lot at all. Adwoa's products are just, they don't skimp on the ingredients, okay? Like, it's going to last you a while. And those are the only products that I'm going to talk about today. Stay tuned for my favorite oils and stylers, like leave-ins and stylers and oils. I'm going to make that for you guys as well, but I didn't want to cram a whole bunch of products into one video. I figured I'd stick to like the wash day products first. My favorite wash day products for 2021 for natural hair, and those are them. I don't have anything else to say except thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful and that you find something in here that will work. I honestly feel like this would work. The products that I mentioned would work for any hair type, to be honest, but especially natural hair. Yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching, especially if you made it all the way to the end. I appreciate you, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.